how to transfer Capcut projects from PC to phone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily transfer your Capcut projects from your PC to your phone device. So first, go ahead and open the Capcut app or the Capcut web on your PC, and then go ahead and sign in to your account. So you can go ahead and sign in with your TikTok account, sign in with your Facebook account or Google account, or use a QR code to sign in to your account. So I'll simply use QR code. So you just need to basically scan this QR code into your device where you're currently signed in and confirm signing in to your account on that specific device. So once you have confirmed this, you'll get redirected into your account on Capcut. So you need to confirm this on your mobile device and you're successfully signed into your account. And then on your account, go ahead and upload the project that you want to edit out to your mobile device. So go ahead and select that project and then click on the three dots at the bottom right of that project and then click on this upload button. So once you click on this, this would be then uploaded into your space. So your space is an online storage of the videos that you have on Capcut. So once you upload this on your space, you can go ahead and access this as well on your mobile device where this Capcut account is signed in. So you can go ahead and access this specific project on the space that you have on that specific account. And that is how you can basically move project from PC to phone.